So, Ahmed, over to you.
The balancing tank finish? No?
Yeah.
I want to add this one safeguard point for the head wall unit. Inside the unit, we have standby overflow screen. So in case the unit itself.
Where you are saying?
No, I think they didn't see that. Inside the unit, there's a standby screen unit inside the manual. No, inside the unit,
but it is not
it's not here, actually, but still the material submitted, it was added.
Then you have to revise the P90 to domestic purpose.
That one just
See, normally we do the PNI review on the PNID. If you have not shown in the PNID, we will not consider.
Oh.
Right? Because then when you refer the report, people will not able to understand what we are talking about.
You need to revise the
Yeah, then you have to revise.
Because the PNID also from them, they didn't show on the PNID.
That you can do
But
it.
we will mention that one, there's a standby inside.
Yeah.
This is for the emergency.
That's okay. So guys, Ahmed, I will request you to please come here and discuss about the note 2. You want to come here?
Yeah, this is simple.
Yeah.
This is the same principle for the screen that we discussed. This is just without grit, without degrees. Like
the screening, blockage, and everything, whatever you consider, those points.
same points will come here.
Will come here.
I think this, I mean, is
But see the end for all the green.
Okay. So now let us start here.
Yeah.
I mean, the line is coming from the pump discharge, and we have taken the pump trip and all this thing. Now this is the
motorized one.
motorized valve. So yeah, I will put it here. What is the MOV number? Valve 701A. Valve 701A malfunction close.